Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my name is Nike and I am Dagwari chick from Katie. Guys, today I want you to come shopping with me. This is basically when I want to get African, basically Nigerian food. Weekly I shop for different things, and today I have not quite much I'll be shopping for, but I will be letting you guys into it. Now guys, I have reasons for making this video. Recently I realized that a lot of people back home, they think we in the Obodo Imbo, we in abroad, we're stingy, we don't want to give you guys. But guys, we here too are just trying to get by. We're not suffering technically, but I mean, I expect people to appreciate the little you give them. Look, no matter how much somebody gives you, you should be able to be appreciative. So today I decided to make this video to take you guys shopping with me and see how expensive things are over here for us too. Don't forget guys, we pay our bills monthly, we pay our rent monthly. Everything is just expensive in the United States, and you don't want to live on debt, because over here you live on credit. All right guys, so come shopping with me today and let's go see what we're going to get today. I have a list. All right guys, let's go. So I'm here. I'm buying tomatoes. This is tomatoes. As you guys can see, tomatoes is $1.79 per pound. That's 647 naira. So, and this is pepper. It's $8.99 per pound, which amounts to 3,249 naira. That's just per pound. I haven't picked what I wanted yet. Yam is $1.49 per pound. Dry coconut, stockfish, seafood. Yeah, so this is live lobsters, live crabs. They do not have catfish, they just had tilapia. That's tilapia in the water. Do you guys see how much this smoked catfish is? It costs $15.11, which is 5,462 naira. Oh my god, just 2 pieces of smoked catfish. This goat meat is 21 pounds, which goes for $20.72, which is about 7,490 naira. Guys, isn't this expensive? Man, cow leg is 4.27 pounds, which costs about $10.63. That's 3,842 naira. I do not know how much cow leg is in Nigeria now, but you guys can see this is how much this costs. This liver, which is 2.19 pounds. That costs $4.36, which is about $15.70, thing. Pomo, I did not buy that pomo. That pomo was very expensive. I did not even buy it. Turkey wings, not so expensive. You see, that's a good thing, because this is not imported from Nigeria. So 3.41 pounds, it costs $7.97, which is 2,881 naira, which is quite affordable. And then the beef. The beef was 4.99 pounds, very little beef, and that's just $6.44, which cost about 2,328 naira. Oxtail, 7.99 pounds, which costs typically $16.30, which is 5,882 naira. Wow. And that's pork. I don't eat pork, so I'm just showing you guys. I'm leaving this area. I've gotten all I want. Okay guys, this is the noodles section. As you can see, noodles is $14. That's 5,061 naira for a box of noodles, 30 packs of Indomie. So this red oil, I'm not buying it, but I want to show you guys. 20 liters of red oil is 69.99. That's about $70, which basically, typically translating it to naira, that will be 25,301 naira. Then, oh, this chicken curry, I was complaining about it. He was telling me to buy it, but I was like, no, because it's too expensive, $21. I don't know why it's expensive. As you guys can see, they put it separately from the other ones. That costs 7,591 naira. I'm not about to buy that, but guys, as you can see, things are expensive, especially African food. You know, definitely we have to consider shipping costs, but please learn to appreciate people. I mean, you know, the other day I saw a post on Instablog where this I think I saw it as a former presidential aspirant saying, when we go to America, we go Americanize, we do this. Yes, we have to. If we cannot even afford to buy the food here, why won't we just learn to eat American food and be comfortable and be happy? And then you're upset. I mean, if the system in Nigeria was good, do you think I would leave my country? How many South Africans do you see abroad? I have not even stumbled on one. I mean, that's because South Africa is good, but Nigeria is not that good. People are seeking greener pastures. Guys, we work a lot. We don't pluck our money from trees. Just learn to appreciate us too. I mean, if I send you 10,000 naira, it might be small, but it's what I have at that point in time. You do not know what I'm going through. Oh, don't let Instagram pictures deceive you. And don't forget, we pay our bills monthly. We have family to take care of. We have bills to take care of. So many things. Your car, you service your car, you know, gas, all that thing. It just hurts my feelings when people think, oh, she's in America, she's stingy. Oh, he's in America, he's stingy. Guys, I never land now. Make I land. We'll go fish here, Wella. Alright guys, I just wanted to take you guys shopping with me today for African food. Please remember, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, like and comment. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good day.